It's gruesome, it's sad.
It was a strong odor that led a maintenance worker to this upstairs unit at the Braeswood Oaks apartments, and a discovery made inside a refrigerator has rattled this complex to the core.
Incredible. I can't imagine someone being put in the refrigerator.
It's very close, it's scary.
Investigators say the power in this apartment had been turned off back on November 20th because of a late payment, but the unit was still occupied. Detectives are calling the woman's husband and father of her child, Patrick Lambert, a person of interest.
I ain't seen that lady in a long time. I thought she had moved away from here.
Neighbors recall often seeing the woman with her baby boy, identified by police as Achilles Lambert. He'll be 1 in January. The details surrounding the killing have everyone wondering what was the motive.
It's a very low person that does that. I mean, almost non-human person to do that.
Susan Washington and her daughter have lived here for 24 years, and never before have they questioned their safety until now.
It's really sad. I mean, you almost don't know what to think. So many thoughts to your mind.
Neighbors want answers, and so do police. But detectives say they have to be patient to preserve the evidence from inside the refrigerator.
We've been unable to contact any family to help see if the child is with anybody else, or that's our biggest concern right now is locating the child, make sure the boy's safe.
And police do not have a photograph of that child, but here is one more look at person of interest Patrick Lambert. Again, he is the father of the 11-month-old boy and the husband of the woman found in the refrigerator. It is unclear as to how long her remains had been there, but a neighbor claims to have seen her last week. Police are not speculating on a cause of death.